hi. Good evening. It's nice to meet you. I'll give you this one.
Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you so much. A blessed evening to everyone. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat. Thank you for organizing this event, especially kay Palawan, of course. Sasan si Palawan, Sir Bobby, and yung dalawang Bobby, Sir Bobby Castro at saka si Direk. Maraming salamat. You know, when we started supporting the whole tennis as a sport here in the Philippines last year, we were just so novice in this sport, kumbaga. And when we were able to share our vision kina Direk Bobby, ayan, we were able to see a vision that no one has seen before, to be honest. And with this type of vision, we need support of all organizations involved, the government, PhilTA, maraming salamat. Kong, maraming salamat sa support, especially kay PhilTA. And with that, we all came together. And as Palawan has been our partner last Gen3 Open 2025, it's just right that we also support their tournament right now. That's why we're presenting the Palawan Open 2026, which was and is a very big success. Kaya congratulations to everyone. Ayan. To all organizers, congratulations. To guests, maraming salamat sa pagpunta. Alam ko kanina medyo mainit no? Pero everyone made it, and I was really happy to see maraming guests and supporters ng tennis, and marami pang magiging supporters ng tennis for sure. I would also like to congratulate personally all our players that played in this tournament and showcased amazing tennis. Congratulations sa inyo. Yeah. So most congrats of course sa mga finalists natin and champions. Maraming salamat. You guys have showcased great tennis, and I've seen a lot of people right now even coming from abroad. So that actually makes sense and tells that the tennis culture here and the tennis scenery in the Philippines is even getting better as we go year by year. Kaya congratulations sa inyo lahat.